Hey everyone, Smart Truck Bag 118 Productions here. And guess what? I have good news. Here's a Simplex True Alert and my smoke detector. The True Alarm right here. The alert here. That's why I made this pull station and this. And I just made my door closer. See, look. It's not springed it yet, but I used it for a reason. I moved this. I got this here, and I moved this down here too, as well. But good news, here's the rest of the basement. So yeah, you were thinking about this True Alert right here because I moved it, but here's more. The control panel is right here. It says building safety. I can't even get to it. It's because that's where I made a fire alarm control panel door. That's because no one can actually get into it. There's no keys in there, but I can still open it. See? Here's the instruction. It says how to silence the fire alarms. Touch the screen to acknowledge the alarm and silence and to reset the system. See, that's how you do it. It doesn't work, by the way. This is part of the Alertic 8005, but I put this as for building safety, so it's now part of Simplex. So, because you were thinking about Simplex, that's why. And I forgot to open the fire door. Let me close this real quick so no one can get to it. Hold on, there's a... Sure, yeah, that thing gets opened a lot. There we go. Let's open the fire door. Oh, shoot. Camera's just lost focus. There we go. There. Now it's open. Let's open this fire alarm control panel door. This is pretty awesome. This is out of cardboard, except for this one, this is out of plastic, I believe. Because you cannot even get to it when it's shut like that. Here's here. Just reset the system. It says building safety, but there's nothing in the alarm. That's actually pretty cool to have that installed. I just made it like about today or something-ish. That's pretty cool. So that's a good thing and handy, because my brother keeps going to this lot, so I put it there. And to order the closer, you do it like this. That's a touchscreen, believe it or not, but let's close it so no one can get to it. Oh, there we go. That is my first. So thanks for watching. Bye, guys. Here's the one look at the Simplex True Alert. Goodbye. And we're gonna test that fire alarm with the smoke detector. So, let me take these off. Alright, we're gonna spray up the smoke detector. Here we go. That was a little too much. Oh, there it goes. Bang! That thing is banging so loud. These are old time strobes. Because I changed it. Alright, let's open this up. Press acknowledge. And silence. Silence. There we go. And I updated this. See, look, I updated to something different. Alright. Sorry, I was just fixing that. Alright, reset. Once that it's reset, I can open the fire door again. Strobes are not flashing because we're still having some technical problems. I'm not testing the key switch today because I'm not going to. You can tell. They put a ES model right here because I moved it. No alarms present. It's been complete. Hold on. Alright, let's close this up. Oh, there we go. There you go. Now you can't get to it. Alright, that's it.